Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. I'm just working on getting this CDX put back together again. It's got lots of bits and pieces to it. I just wish whoever replaced the caps on this went with shorter caps, but that's alright. I'll work with it. The problem is when you use taller caps, you end up having to bend them over like that. And I don't like how they end up pressing against some of the components in the upper board. But anyway, better someone else to do it than me because I've kind of lost my mojo when it comes to putting these Sega stuff back together again here. It's a little bit of a challenge, really. So it's in there like that. And then you got these oval-shaped holes here. Those are used for guiding everything in place. Is you have to kind of sneak it around. It's not the most elegant design in terms of manufacturability here. I don't know what quite Sega was thinking. It doesn't really slot together particularly well, as you can hear. Okay. Let's make sure everything's sitting flat. Alright, so since I'm here, I wanted to solder. Well, this metal plate goes back in place, but before I do that, because this plate ends up going right here, like so, but there's actually two small solder spots here and here, which are where these wires go, which were kind of tacked on in the wrong spot before, but that is also fixable. Microphone here, as I can't get at my appears to be the original memory cell in there. That's fine. See when this is all put back together again, how the pins are pretty clean. Where's my deoxit? Keep losing my can of deoxit. It's fallen off my bench twice. There it goes. This stuff takes corrosion off. Okay. Mate those together soon. Alright, so Does this plate go on first or second? I can never remember. Yeah, there's 3 posts that go through spindles like that. Yeah, it goes on kind of like so. There's that little resistor. Pry him up. Screwdriver. Let's try this guy. I know it's a little flat guy over here. This one. Alright, you can thread in the hole now, anytime now. No, it's a spin on the top. Let's try smaller. Let's try this guy. There we go. I'll get this put together a bit, and I'll try the game again, see if it's working. Probably will not end up putting it all the way back together yet. Just so guess I need to pop it apart. I don't have to go through all that rigmarole. Oh, my son talks a lot. Okay. That. What's all this then? I forgot to do something on the top. Pop that open in a minute, but that's alright. I gotta test it first before I go anywhere else. See how bad or good it is. Okay, why don't you want to go back in your hole is the question. Oh, Sega. Why must you torment me so? Why aren't you slotting in is the question. What's it hitting? What in the world is it pressing against is the question. I don't see anything. Oh my goodness. Why are you not going back in? What are you hitting? Maybe there's a wire pressing there. Oh, what a pain. Okay. Okay, what in the world are you pressing against? What's it hitting? Oh, I love Sega, don't you? Well, before I put this thing all the way back together again, let's see if it's still working. There's your juice. There's your power juice. Pressing right. What's going on here? Oh, that's because it's not seated all the way. Fine. I'll just pop you out manually for a second. Why aren't you going back in is the question. I don't understand. It's seated all the way. That's lining up. What the heck are you hitting? It's definitely on this end. I'll just bootleg it a minute. Hold on. Real quick, get why this is not doing what's supposed to. Okay, let's make sure it works first before we go through all the trouble. It's taking way too long to check the disc. Oh. Okay, so I gotta take this back apart, do a little more adjustment, put it back together again. Yippee. Alright, that's enough for tonight. Thanks for watching.